Yes, what's good? Eone here, and today I'm going to be taking you through how I created some of my favourite elements in the track Arrival, which is out now on Noir. So the first sound that I'm going to be taking you through is the lead, which sounds like this. There we go. So this is actually a preset from Akihiko. That's out on Liquid Ritual. So be sure to check that out because he's got some amazing, amazing sounds and a lot of really cool Max for Live stuff as well. Very, very talented individual. Now, this was a preset that I've tweaked around a little bit, had to play with. I've played with some of the filter settings on there and rolled off some of these settings on here. I've added in a little bit extra hyper and a little bit extra dimension. But for me, the main secret, the main source comes from the new phaser flanger tool, which is part of Ableton 11. Now, as we can hear without it, it's a very cool sound. Let's drop it from here. But as soon as we add that in, yeah, it's really nice. Now, the usual settings that I have on here look a little bit something like this. So I've just wound that back a bit. Brought that in, brought that feedback up, and then brought that time down. And that's what really creates that very kind of neo sound to this. We've also got a lot of automation on the, well, I say a lot, we've got a fair amount of automation on the go here. The main one is my filter cutoff. I've got that playing pretty much all the way through. Not on that section of the song, I didn't feel it was necessary. I want it just to shine as it was. But yeah, that, especially in the intro there, as it kind of opens, closes, and then it opens up again, and then it opens up some more. I've also got the wet dry as well here, which helps with my transitional changes. And then finally, I'm working on automating the gain. Now the reason why I like to automate the gain, it's just small little changes, but I just wanted a little bit louder in volume there, so I just boosted it by 2 dB. As we all know, the reason why, well hopefully we all know, the reason why we don't like to automate the actual volume here is because once I've got a nice mix and balance, if I want to drop all my levels down, one's going to pop back up if it's automated. So I always make sure to automate the gain. So let's have a little listen to hear how it sounds in full. Let's play it from the intro here. For me, that's the most important thing, is the post-processing and the use of automation. That's what's going to help give it a movement, and that's what's also going to help create a unique vibe and style to your sonic aesthetics. And there we have it. That's how I created the main lead on my new track Arrival, which is out on the Prison EP on Noir Collective, an amazing Polish wave label that also drops a lot of great Neogrime. I will be putting another 2 more of these videos out throughout the week, so make sure to stay tuned and check them out. Nice one. Have a good one. Take care.